Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you how to delete and remove all the paired Bluetooth devices from your system, because I believe you can have up to 6 stored phones, and once you reach that limit you will have to delete one in order to be able to add a new one. This video should apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now here on the main vehicle screen, you want to select settings, and then you want to select connections. And here under the Bluetooth you will have a list of all the paired phones in the past. So as you can see, you can have up to 6. And to delete one of the phones, I have only one right now. We'll press this information icon here and then press delete on the top. Delete, yes. Okay, and that's how you do it. Now, if you had 6 of them, like I said, you will have to delete one to be able to add a new one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.